and in this video I will show you how to design a IR remote control circuit. The things which are required for making this circuit are 230 volt to 6 volt step down transformer, 7805 voltage regulator, 5 pieces of 1 and 4007 diode, TSOP IR receiver, IC 555, IC 7474, 2 resistances. One is 100 ohm and another is 220 kilo ohm, one 6 volt relay, 2 capacitor, one is 1 microfarad and another is 470 microfarad, and a BC187 transistor. Now I will show you the things. See, this is a 230 volt to 6 volt step down transformer. These are the 4 diodes. The output of the transformer is connected to these 2 terminals, and we are getting output from 6 volt from these 2 terminals. This is 7805 voltage regulator. This is 470 microfarad capacitor, IR receiver. This is IC 555. This is 7474 and BC187 transistor, 100 ohm resistance. This is 220 kilo ohm resistance, and this is 6 volt relay. These are the NC and NO points, common points, and the coil is connected to these 2 terminals. And this is a diode which is connected in parallel with the relay. Now I will show you the circuit diagram of the rectifier circuit. See, this is a 230 volt supply given to the transformer. This is the transformer. We are getting 6 volt output from this, and these are the 4 diodes and the output of the transformer is connected to these 2 terminals, and we are getting output DC 6 volt from these 2 terminals, and we are giving this output to 7805 voltage regulator, and this is 470 microfarad capacitor which is connected to it in parallel, and we are getting 5 volt DC output from this. Now I will show you the circuit diagram of the whole circuit. Now I will show you how to connect the whole circuit. See, the output of the rectifier circuit is connected to the voltage regulator 7805. This is the voltage regulator 7805. This is the input terminal, the middle one is the ground, and this is the output terminal. We are giving 6 volt supply to the input and the ground terminal from the rectifier, and we are getting constant 5 volt DC from the output terminal. The 470 microfarad capacitor is connected in parallel with it, and this is the IR receiver. Middle one is the VCC, and this is the ground, and we are getting output from this terminal. The middle one is VCC is connected to the voltage regulator, and the ground is connected to it, and the output of the IR receiver is given to the pin number 2 of the IC 555. Pin number 1 of the IC 555 is connected to the ground. Pin number 3 of IC 555 is connected to the pin 3rd of IC 7474. Pin number 4 is connected to the VCC of voltage regulator 7805. The pin number 5 is kept open, and pin number 6 and 7 are connected with each other, and the positive terminal of 1 microfarad capacitor is connected to the pin number 6 or 7, and the negative terminal is given to the ground, and the 220 kilo ohm resistance, one terminal of 220 kilo ohm resistance is connected to the pin number 6 or 7, and another terminal is connected to the VCC. Now come to IC 7474. Pin number 1 of IC 7474 is connected to the VCC, and pin number 2 is connected to the pin number 6, and pin number 3 is connected to the pin number 3 of IC 555. Pin number 4 is connected to the VCC of voltage regulator 7805. Pin number 5 is connected to the 187 BC187 transistor. Pin number 6 is connected to pin number 2 as I had earlier told, and pin number 7, this is connected to the ground, and pin number 14 is for VCC of the voltage regulator 7805. This is 187 BC187 transistor. The middle one is the base, this one is the emitter, and this one is the this one is the collector terminal. The fifth pin of IC7474 is connected to the base of the transistor through 100 ohm resistance, and the emitter is connected to the ground, and the collector is connected to the relay coil of the relay, and 6 volt rectifier, this 6 volt supply is given to the another terminal of the relay, and that's all. Now how it works. Normally the output of the IR receiver is 5 volt. When IR strikes the IR receiver, it reaches to 0 and then it come back to 5 volt. IC555 work as a clock generator for IC7474 with the help of IR receiver. IC7474 consists of D flip-flop which is connected in toggle mode. We are getting output 0 or 1 from the pin number 5 of IC7474, which is connected to the relay with the help of BC187 transistor. Finally, I put the whole circuit in this cabinet. This is the 3-pin socket, this is the indicator, this is the IR receiver, and this is the remote, and we can take any type of remote, either it is TV, DVD or stereo, and the neutral wire is connected to this terminal, and the live wire is connected to this through the common and normally closed terminal of the relay. And when I press the button of the remote, it gives 220 volt output. I will show you how it is working. See, when I press the button, it gives 220 volt output. When I press again, there is no output coming from it. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.